When people think about upgrading their outdoor space, they usually start with furniture, landscaping, or maybe even a new pool design. But one feature that's becoming a standout in luxury outdoor living is something many homeowners overlook: the cabana. Today's cabanas are much more than just a place to escape the sun. They've evolved into architectural design elements that can completely transform a backyard or poolside space. In many modern outdoor designs, cabanas are treated almost like art installations, structures that add both function and visual impact to the landscape. Instead of simple shade structures, designers are now creating cabanas with bold shapes, clean lines, and premium materials. Natural wood, powder-coated metals, and weather-resistant fabrics are often combined to create structures that feel both durable and visually striking. Another reason cabanas are becoming so popular is the way they help define outdoor living spaces. Just like inside the home, outdoor areas are now being designed with different zones for relaxing, entertaining, and gathering. A cabana naturally creates a shaded retreat where you can lounge, read, host guests, or simply enjoy the view of the pool. For many homeowners, it's also about recreating that resort-style experience at home. If you've ever spent time in a cabana at a luxury hotel or beach resort, you know how inviting and comfortable those spaces can feel. Bringing that same concept into a residential backyard adds both style and functionality to the environment. When thoughtfully integrated into a pool or patio design, a cabana becomes much more than outdoor furniture. It becomes a centerpiece, a structure that elevates the entire outdoor space while blending comfort, design, and a touch of artistic expression. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to turn your outdoor space into a true resort-style escape, be sure to explore more inspiration and design ideas at aquabluemosaics.com